Kim Zolciak just avoided jail time by weeks, not months. And the daughter she raised, she's planning her wedding right now, not knowing if her own father is even going to show up. This family's legal war just will not end. And today we're breaking down exactly how we got here. But stay tuned after the intro. If you haven't been following this one from the start, Kim Zolciak and Kroy Bierman filed for divorce back in 2023 after 11 years of marriage, and what should have been a normal split has turned into one of the messiest, longest running legal battles in reality TV. Well, back in March, Kroy filed for full custody of their four minor kids, KJ, Cash, and the twins Kaya and Kane. In his filing, he accused Kim of being out of the country for weeks at a time and claimed one of the kids was even bitten by a dog while in her care. Kim fired back publicly, saying the accusations were completely false and a deliberate attempt to defame her character. She said she spent 5 weeks away working on two TV shows to support her family. Then in August, things got even uglier. Kim went to court accusing Croy of stalking and harassment, claiming he was surveilling her and following her around town. Croy's team fired back the same week, calling Kim, I quote, an unfit mother who leaves the kids alone or under the care of others for significant periods of time. Kim's rep called it false, misleading, and deeply hurtful, and accused Croy of rushing to file it as a publicity stunt. Well, by October, Croy escalated again, this time accusing Kim of violating a gag order by talking about the divorce publicly on Kristen Cavallari's podcast and on Watch What Happens Live with Andy Cohen. He wanted her held in contempt of court, which could mean jail time. Well, Kim denied she ever been ordered not to speak publicly at all. And here's where it gets even messier. Kim's current boyfriend, Kyle Mowitz, is going through his own divorce, and his estranged wife, Jillian Green, filed court docs back in May claiming Kyle had been spending lavish amounts of money on Kim, paying her rent, even covering her legal fees in the court case. Jillian's asking a judge to freeze his spending before, in her words, the money disappears. And then, almost like clockwork, Croy himself was spotted getting close with that same woman, Jillian, on a hike. So, just to map this out, Kim's ex is bonding with her current boyfriend, estranged wife, while that estranged wife is in court trying to stop money from flowing to Kim. I covered this in a previous video, which will be linked at the end of this video at the end cards. This isn't just a divorce anymore. This is a full circle of everybody being tangled up with what? Everybody. Now, here's what's actually new this week. According to legal documents obtained by TMZ, a Georgia judge ordered Kim to pay $2,535 in overdue fees to the guardian. That's the court appointed official assigned to represent the kids' best interest throughout this custody battle. The order came with a real warning attached: pay up or risk jail time. Now, this isn't Kim's first friction with this particular guardian either. She's had issues with them before, claiming her concerns about Croy's parenting weren't being taken seriously enough in their assessment. So there's already tension in there before you even get to the money. Well, according to sources, Kim paid the full amount on Tuesday, July 14th, cutting it close enough that jail time was genuinely legally on the table in the days leading up to that payment clearing. Think about that for a second. A real housewife, a mother of six, was staring down actual incarceration over $2,535 in the middle of an already brutal custody fight. That's not tabloid exaggeration. That's what the court document said. Now, here's the part that hits different, and honestly, the part that made me want to cover this story in the first place. Kim's oldest daughter, Brielle Bierman, she's 28, engaged to Billy Seidel, recently revealed she hasn't talked to Croy in some time, and she's not sure if he's even going to be at her wedding. To be clear on the family tree here, Brielle and her sister Ariana are Kim's daughter from a previous relationship. Croy legally adopted both of them years ago. You guys remember from the Real Housewives special, back when things were good. He raised Brielle. He walked her through her childhood as her dad, legally and practically, not just in title. And now, in the middle of all this legal warfare with her mom, the contempt motions, the stalking accusations, the near jail moment, Brielle doesn't even know if her own father is walking her down the aisle. That's not a custody dispute anymore. That's a real relationship. One that took years to build, potentially collateral damage in a war that is not even hers. And here's what I think people miss when they're just watching this like his reality TV drama. Four minor kids are who the court is actually fighting over. That's the legal center of this whole thing. But Brielle is proof this kind of war doesn't stay contained to the people named in the divorce filing. It ripples out to everyone who loved both of them, okay? Even the ones who are grown, even the ones who thought they were done being affected by their parents' relationship years ago. And when you add in the Kyle Mowitz situation, Jillian in court, court on Croy on a hike with her, it's hard not to wonder if everybody involved here is more tangled up in each other's lives than any of them are willing to admit publicly. All allegations discussed are alleged and unconfirmed. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty. This video is opinion and commentary under fair use. Clips used under fair use 17 USC section 107 for commentary, criticism, and education. Hey you, are you looking to generate a new stream of income? I mean, I'm sure we could all use this, especially in today's economy. Well, let me tell you about something I personally use that generates me a legit side income that doesn't typically take long and is very easy, usually from the comforts of your own home. And we all like easy, legit money, right? Well, it's called pay for your save, you should ask. Companies pay you for your opinion before they launch products, make decisions, or even go to trial. Focus groups, mock trials, one on one interviews, product testing, all from your phone or laptop on your schedule. One time investment of $225, and they offer Klarna and Afterpay. They also have a mini course option available. My affiliate link will be in the description along with the income calculator. This is an affiliate link. I earn a commission at no cost to you. I would never put anything in front of the royal community I've not personally used myself. And if you like to support this channel as well as want to protect yourself, like the people involved in this story should have, well, my ebook, Prenups, Postnups, and Power Moves is linked in the description. Grab your copy for a special limited low price of $9.99. Get your copy because this is only for a limited time. You purchasing this ebook would really help to build the royal community that you all have come to love. Before you go, if you made it this far, you're already royal, and I genuinely appreciate that. The subscribe button is right there if you want to make it official. If I gave you something to think about today, the like button would mean a lot. And the comments, I read every single one. So drop yours because I honestly want to know what you think about the latest developments in the Bierman, Green, and Mowitz drama. Well, until next time, stay crowned royals, and I'll holler at y'all in the next video. Bye.